investor. How are you? Today we are going to discuss about FMCG Sector 1 of the famous company Marico. Marico Limited. Founded in 2 April 1990. Headquarters Santa Cruz, Mumbai. Type Public FMCG Company. Management is Harsh Mariwala, Chairman Saugata Gupta, Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer. Business and presence. Marico operates in the health, beauty, and wellness space. It has a global footprint, present in 25-plus countries across Asia and Africa. It has a diversified brand portfolio, including Hair Care, Parachute, Parachute Advanced, Nihar, Hair and Care, Live On. Edible oils, Saffola, Parachute Coconut Oil. Skin care, personal care, Parachute Advanced Body Lotion, Beardo, etc. Fabric care, Revive Starch. Health foods/nutrition, Safola, masala, oats, Plix, etc. The international business, across its overseas markets, contributes approximately 25% of the group's revenue. It has manufacturing production facilities in India, multiple factories in locations such as Puducherry, Jalgaon, Badi, etc. Originally started as Marico Foods Limited, then renamed Marico Industries Limited. First overseas office set up in Dubai in early 1990s. Listed on Indian stock exchanges in 1996. Cost pressure. Commodity inflation, especially in copra/vegetable oil, is putting pressure on margins, which is reflected in the gross margin contraction. India demand resilient. Despite inflation and cost headwinds, Marico is seeing good volume growth in domestic markets. International momentum. The 20% constant currency growth in overseas business shows that Marico's international strategy is working. GST impact/trade disruption. The company noted transitionary disruption in trade channels ahead of new GST rate implementation in September. Outlook. Despite the margin pressure, Marico seems optimistic about its model. It is focusing on scaling up premium products, foods, and digital-first segments. Promoter holding 58.94% stake in the company. FII is also 24.21% stake, and DII hold 11.99%. It present the company is performing good number in market. As India's fourth largest sector, FMCG plays a vital role in the economy, with household and personal care products alone contributing 50% of total FMCG sales. Marico aims to increase margins by 200 basis points by fiscal year 27 and reach revenue of 200 billion rupees by fiscal year 30. Q2 experienced 2% impact on sales due to GST transition. Increased rural consumption presents an opportunity for expanding distribution networks in Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities. The quick commerce market could reach between $25 billion and $55 billion by 2030, driven by an increase in high-frequency, high-value users. The Indian FMCG market generated revenue of 20,733,000 rupees, is 245.39 billion in 2024, and is expected to grow at a CAGR of 27.9% through 2021 to 2027, reaching nearly 615.87 billion. India's FMCG sector continues to be the largest advertiser in the country, with a nearly one-third share of the total ad market, spending rupees 31,000 crore, $3.75 billion in 2023. With rising incomes, shifting consumer preferences, growing digital penetration, and robust policy support, the sector is well positioned to remain one of the strongest drivers of India's consumption-led growth story. Innovation funnel remains strong with portfolio diversification and scale-up in foods, D2C portfolio, and B2C acquisitions. Company remains committed towards sustained investment in foods with 25%, plus CAGR in sales. PL Capital have given a research report on Marico Company, where it's given a target of 787 rupees, and I am providing you link of that report so you can read that report also. Here is the nifty FMCG data, how much weightage stock have in FMCG. With the list, you can take a screenshot of this. The nifty FMCG sector has lagged behind both the Nifty 50 and the Nifty India Consumption Index year to date, reflecting a shift in consumer spending toward discretionary products. How it's performing in 2025. Overall insight. Across fiscal year 2025, both volume and value growth remained robust, even as inflationary pressures forced periodic price hikes. The sector demonstrated resilience with festive demand, rural consumption, and strategic pricing, keeping. Now you can see the Marico on chart. It's given a breakout and touch all-time high. And now you can see it's come down to retest the level around 730, can give reversal from here to again all-time high and touch his target around 787. I have given a link of Marico Q2 result and PL Capital report on Marico. Link is there in description and you can download and read from there. I have make a video on SBI Bank analysis and given a target and it's hit the first target. Please give me a feedback. What thing I will improve and what I have to do. Some change, please, free to explain in comment. I am not a SEBI register person. It's video only for educational purpose, and it's not a buying recommendation.